Hello you wonderful people. Today in the Parts Buying Club we have the rear Splashguard fender for the G model, the U model, the U1 model and the U2 model. Fits all of them. This is a Zontes original aftermarket product which you order from your Zontes dealer. I'll leave the product code in the description so when you go to your Zontes dealer you'll have the product code. I bought one of these for my 310X and they're absolutely brilliant. They stop all the water which a tyre generates and normally chucks up onto the back of the bike. It stops all that, it catches it within the deflector. As you can see from the photo, it fits on the left hand side of your bike where your chain side of the bike is. There is an aftermarket one on ALIEXPRESS that fits to the right of the bike. Put that in the description as well for you so you can decide on what you want to do. I prefer the original aftermarket Zontes. Well, that's it for now. This is MICK signing off. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.